Amazon shares are in focus for Thursday with the earnings announcement coming after the close. Just notice technically, Amazon is trying to break off this long-term trend line, broke out, retested, also sitting underneath the 100 exponential moving average. So these can be used for helpful reference points. But what's quite interesting is the news from Microsoft earlier this week that its cloud computing business shows growth did also help expectations for Amazon, which also has a large cloud business. You can see that the pre-market open is above the close yesterday on optimism regarding Amazon's cloud business. Now, seasonally, the moves for Amazon are really quite interesting. They're quite mixed. From the 25th of April to from the 29th of April to the 23rd of May of the last 25 years, an average Amazon stock has returned a negative minus 2.83%, nearly 3%. However, the seasonal pattern does pick up quite nicely over the summer months, and you can see sort of towards the end of May into the 20th of July, you can see it's got an average return of over 10%. Now, if we just take out that huge outlier in 1998, which is quite helpful if we just go back here and we'll take out that 1998 outlier, and now let's select the date in that sort of really nice hot period, and let's select all and get rid of 1998. There we go. So you can see the average return is still pretty good, 70% upside with an average return of 4.76%. So not as strong as having that 1998 outlier in, which does kind of warp the return a little bit. But nevertheless, does this mean that a dip in Amazon earnings, could that be a good dip buy? Or are the risks surrounding the outlook for global stocks at the moment, just too high? There's certainly a number of risks that are out there. The major trade risk, of course, will be if the US head into a deep recession. There's banking sector fears, and stocks have been generally quite well bought over the first quarter of this year, particularly in April. So there are lots of significant risks circulating. Remember, don't just trade it, but Seasonax it.